LDI to me is the mecca for theater technology around the planet.
I think LDI is a great event to bring both the creators and the technical, more engineer-minded folks together and really just see what magic can happen.
As an exhibitor, we're really excited to come back, go next level next year, and work with you guys on some new creative outputs and sponsorships.
And a lot of really great interactions with tons of different people. Attendance has been really good this year.
We love being here at LDI. It's been a great show so far, and we're looking forward to coming back next year.
You come to LDI to see the latest products, to talk to the leaders in the industry.
It's been a fantastic show. We've seen all kinds of people here, from students who are just starting out in their careers in the entertainment technology world, all the way up to the most seasoned professionals that we've ever seen at this show.
This is my favorite show. Not only do a lot of our customers come here, you have end users and production companies from some of the leading companies. We've met so many incredible contacts here. I definitely recommend everyone to be at LDI.
I mean, LDI is a wonderful thing every year where all of the vendors come together and you get an opportunity to see all of the new things out there. But also it's really a meeting of the minds where you get all the people who are actually creating this cutting edge technology into one space.
It's all about the people and the products, and it all happens here at LDI.